Hi, I'm Kerry from eSpares, and in this video I'm going to show you how to replace a control knob from your Karcher pressure washer. If you feel like your current control knob is faulty or broken, you will need to remove it and fit a new one. Luckily you can do all of this from home without needing to call a repair professional, so let's take a look. In this video we're going to be using the Karcher K4 pressure washer. To replace the control knob you will need a small flat blade screwdriver, a pair of pin nose pliers and a Torx T15 screwdriver. Of course, you will also need a new control knob, so we'll include a link to where you can buy one in the description below. And remember, safety first. Always make sure you switch off your appliance and unplug it from the mains before carrying out any work. First, you will need to unscrew the small black water inlet connection. This is located here at the bottom of the front area of the casing. Then, using your Torx T15 screwdriver, remove the 8 screws, 6 from the back of the pressure washer and 2 underneath of the base. Let's start with the screws at the back. Now for the 2 at the base. Next, you'll need to remove the 2 black plastic lugs at the bottom of the pressure washer. First, use your small flat blade screwdriver to carefully wedge each one out. Then use a pair of your pin nose pliers to pry each lug all the way through. These will probably be quite stiff, so take your time and be careful not to damage them while you do it. Then the tool carrier can be removed like so. Now the outer casing can be lifted away from the bottom of the chassis. Place your hands comfortably either side so that you can wiggle it free from the water inlet valve. However, the casing will not be fully disconnected just yet, as it will still be connected by the soap dispenser hose on the inner side and the mains cable too. Now unclip the soap dispenser hose by pulling it free of the small inner clip. Then pull the mains cable from out of the outer casing clip that holds it in place like so. Now you can fully disconnect the soap dispenser hose by pulling it off the small soap feed pipe. This is the pipe that's positioned on the pump housing at the top of the motor inside the pressure washer. The outer casing will now be fully disconnected. With the outer casing fully removed, you can now remove the old control knob from the casing. To do this, push in the 3 tabs that hold it in place from the inside and push the control knob out through the hole. Right, now it's time to fit your new control knob. But before buying your new control knob, you need to make sure that you have your appliance's model number. This will ensure that you get the correct part for your pressure washer. Now, if you're not sure what your model number is or where to find it, then check out our video on finding your pressure washer model number here. Now you can refit the soap dispenser hose to the small soap feed pipe above the motor. Then you can reconnect the mains cable to its clip like so. Then you can also clip the soap dispenser hose back onto the small inner clip. Now you can refit the outer casing. When you do this, make sure the 2 black tabs at the bottom go outside the casing. Otherwise, if they're inside, the casing just won't fit properly. Also, you need to align the water outlet and the mains cable with the holes in the outer casing either side. Now, using your Torx T15 screwdriver, refit all 8 screws that you removed earlier to secure the outer casing in place. Now don't forget, your last 2 screws go at the bottom of the pressure washer. Pop the tool caddy back into place. Then push the 2 black lugs back into place at the bottom of the pressure washer. Remember to align the flat sides so that they can lock into place. Finally, you can fit the control knob. You will be able to see the control switch through the control knob opening, so make sure it's lined up with the slot on the control knob. Then screw the small black water inlet hose connection into place at the bottom of the front of the pressure washer. And there you have it, how to replace the control knob on your Karcher pressure washer. If you have any other issues with your pressure washer, then don't worry, we're here to help. We have a full playlist of videos on diagnosing and fixing common pressure washer faults. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe for appliance repairs, maintenance guides and all things e-spares. Thanks for watching.